Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Wafi bin Ahmad Mazil. So today I will answer question 20. Topic limits and function and limits. Okay. So this is the graph from the question. Okay, the first question is, the question asks us to find limit of fx as x approach to 1 from the right. Okay, so based on the graph, you can see that when x approach to 1 from the right, which is here, we can see that it ends on point 2. The graph of fx equal to 2. So the answer is 2. Okay, the next question is, find the limit of fx as x approaches 5 from the left. The negative sign means that x approaches 5 from the left. So based on the graph, we can see that when x equal to 5, we can see a point here, and we can see the graph from the left is located here. So we just take a point. So this question is, the answer is 3. Next question. Okay. Find the limit of fx as x approaches the value of 2. So this means that limit of x comes from 2 directions. First, let's do from the left. So 2 negative, and we get sorry, it is 4. Sorry. From the graph, we can see that the limit is 3. Value is 3, and we do it also from the, if x approaches 4 from the right, which is equal to 3 also. So the answer is, the limit from the left and the right has the same value. So we can say that limit of fx as x approaches to 4 is equal to 3. Next question. Limit of fx as x approaches 3. So same goes with the previous question. We determine first from the left. As x approaches 3 from the left, you can see from the graph, it is, the value is 2. And limit of fx as x approaches 2 from the right is not 2.
You mean 3? Limit f as x approaches 3 from the right
is equal to 3. So here we can see that the limit of fx as approaches as x approaches 3 from the left is different from x approaches 3 from the right, 2 and 3. So for this question, the answer is there is no limit exists. Next question. Determine F3. So simple, just substitute x. If x equal to 3, then the value of fx is 2. Is 3, sorry. We must find the absolute value. So this circle with there is no black dot here means that the value is not 2. So we try to find f3, which means that when x equal to 3, so the finite value is 3. Okay, the last question is the limit of fx as x approaches 2. Okay, for this question, we can see that as x approaches 2 from both sides, there is no exact limit, but we can see that the graph goes infinity plus infinity. So we just state that x as x approaches 2 from the left equals to positive infinity, and limit of fx as x approaches 2 from the right is also positive infinity. So the value is the same, so we can say that the limit of fx as x approaches 2 equals to positive infinity. But I want to explain, if the graph is let's say for example there is a case like this. This is when the question asks when fx approaches positive infinity. This means that the value of x is approaching to infinity, and we can see the graph has approaching one limit, which is the value is 5. This is for if x approaches infinity. Different from this case. That's why the value of infinity is on the x. Y axis. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.